What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 93V, hands on. I wasn't really supposed to be vlogging today, but I said, you know what, hey, I'm gonna drop the video anyways. Last time I went and did a fuel pump, it actually didn't go through because somebody actually broke car and messed up the ignition. So the car wasn't running after I did the fuel pump, but I did do the fuel pump and I didn't do much vlogging. But today, I'm gonna vlog for y'all, man. I'm finna put up on my boy Doug out here in the hood in Rosewood. And we're gonna do this fuel pump on his Chevy. I don't know why, man, all these Chevys been going down lately, man, on the fuel pump blast. So, you know what I'm saying? I've been back to back doing Chevys. I prefer to take the bed off and get to it. You know what I'm saying? Easy, quick, in a hurry versus dropping the tank, because a lot of times the tanks be having gas in them. And last time when I dropped the tank, it ended up costing me more money. So I basically ended up breaking one of the gas lines. But long story short, gang, it's your boy 93V, man. Y'all can meet your boy 93V in person. Hit your boy up when you need brake jobs. Hit your boy up when you need them spark plugs changed. Hit your boy up when y'all need fuel pumps and motor swaps or transmission swaps, LS swaps, all that good stuff. Know what I'm saying, man? Your boy is on that. Matter of fact, y'all stay tuned, man. YouTube on the budget finna do some work together. So it's up, it's stuck. Right now we on Homestead. Y'all know that's my hood, Homestead. Know what I'm saying? Homestead still holding, Homestead where the real niggas at. You know what I'm saying? And it's up, man. So we finna go knock this fuel pump out, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna let y'all see when we get there. Y'all see, man, it's up, man. We got the fuel pump. Finna put the new harness on. Whenever you buy a new fuel pump, you know what I'm saying, you gotta put the harness on because they got a different pigtail on it. And so y'all missed the last video we did when I did the fuel pump for EST 93. You know what I'm saying, my boy? So we just gotta clip them off real quick. I didn't show y'all the process on taking the bed off. Y'all see it's a step side bed, but it's the same process as any other bed. Got 8 bolts, one go right here, one right here. And these step side trucks I ain't never seen it before. But y'all see it got a spacer between the actual frame mount. So I put that one on wrong. Then slide in like that. Boom. There's pressure. Got 8 bolts from the front and the back. And here got a new pump right here, y'all. You feel me? I gotta put that on. Oh, we do need to take them pigtails off of there. Remember? Right here, they go on this. Let's take them off. The old truck been putting in work, y'all. Yeah, this the old one, y'all. See what the flathead. Yeah, let's go get it. Try to sit y'all up somewhere. Sometime y'all might see that. Right there. Easy. Pop that up. Yeah. This like the third fuel pump I did. It feel like in a month, but matter of fact, that was the first day of the year I did fuel pump. That was on New Year's or New Year's Eve, one of the two. Yeah. Yep. Kind of clean these out. Big one going now. Like that. Yes, sir, and she ready to go. But we gotta put the pigtail in first. See, I'm gonna set y'all up while we do that real quick. Alright, y'all, so I don't know if y'all can see, but we'll cut this square pigtail smooth off. You feel me? Okay. Put it wide back. Everything the same color, so you can't mix it up. You ain't gotta worry about you gonna get it right or wrong. I hope my arm ain't in the way. All right, so you got your purple wire. That's one of the hots. It's not the main hot. The main hot is that gray wire. going straight to the fuse box, letting you know when to turn on with the key, just to give it that main power. That purple wire give it that continuous power once you actually got the vehicle running. Black wire is ground, and to be 100% honest, I would say I don't know what the orange wire is, but since it ain't no power wire, it got to be that fuel level wire. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. But yeah, you can't go wrong because you got the orange, black, purple, and white. Just like the new part. I'm a nigga, that bitch was on fuck you, nigga, and I dropped that bitch. That bitch down there crushed me under there, nigga. I had to slide from up under that bitch and let it drop. And when it dropped, the fucking main gas line that's going back to the front, this one right here, that bitch $50. Bitch snapped like goddamn, like it wasn't in. You coming down. Yup, cause that bitch dropped. You know what I'm saying? So shit, nigga I had to go buy that because that was my fuck up.
Symphony, y'all making this gas? Symphony, y'all making this gas?
I kind of heard it. Yeah, now I hear it. Yes, sir.
Y'all making this gas?
Yes, sir. She on there, man. Y'all hear that thing, man. I done got down and dirty. It's up, though, man. Y'all already know what time it is. Hands-on shit. You feel me? So basically, y'all, we finna just buckle this baby back down and shit, he ready to ride, back in service. So like I said, man, 8 bolts, take off the bed, get you a hammer and a flathead, take off your little, you know what I'm saying, your little clamp for the fuel pump. The new fuel pumps got to get a new harness plugged in, so you gotta do that. And it really is not that hard, man, you gotta knock it out. Have your jack to lift up the truck so you can get up under it. But yep, for now it's up, it's stuck. That's a riggedy wrap. We got some more things going on today, so this video might get a little long and lengthy. Y'all just gonna rock with me. I'm supposed to be pulling up, so y'all know what time it is. You can even yonk for now. We're finna put the bed back on. Might put y'all on the time lapse while we put the bed back on. Fuck it. Yes, sir. We're gonna do that, gang. So, long story short, this happened. And this was my fault, for real. But it happened because of this, y'all. the C knot is cracked on both ends. You know what I mean? So the bolts of the bed was basically scrunched up together. We could not get it. We could not get the bed itself on the truck. And we busted up. What happened, Unc?
Oh, no, nothing, man. KRG, the comedian, man, up in this thing, man. Nephew called me out here, man, see what I can do. You understand me? Really, like I done told y'all before, I ain't no mechanic, but it's fucked up in here.
Yeah. Yeah,
What,
man. So this crack here is kind of sideways and bent a little bit at the bottom, like split, like you know when you bend the iron. So we thought this was an easy job. Gonna be quick, like click, boom. But long story short, we ended up coming over these problems here. So we finna go right now to see if they can fix the C notches on here, cause really, they didn't do a Pookie swap job on the C notch. Pookie swap, they should have came to you, boy. Yeah, man.
Boy,
So,
shout outs one time.
they didn't weld the inside of the notch, only the outside, and they just used the plate. And evidently the plate broke before. So something going on, some weird things, and it was making the bed sit how it was sitting. Y'all seen it on the vlog. So, oh man, it's tough, y'all. Like I say, I'm down and dirty. You feel me? And the fuel pump good though. Fuel pump running. But it's a blessing that his fuel pump went out before that happened, because he could have been anywhere on 45 and his whole back end could have came out. And it would have been a tragedy. Could have lost his life. You feel me? Broke, accidentally hit an 18 wheeler. The worst could have happened. But y'all see we got it. You know what I'm saying? Now to where we know what we need to fix. And we came across this other problem right here with the brake line. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, this was a little job. It's a blessing that I took the bed off, because like I say, we could have went worse than that. Yep. So it's tough. But we're gonna get back at y'all when we get to the shop, man. We had to find that out. Let's get it.